So we're back for lesson 2 and week 1 of the Small Business CEO Money Management course. And we're going to continue our quick little walkthrough of QuickBooks. So in this section, I'm going to bring your attention to the top of the screen. And the first button here is the plus sign. It's called the Create button. I just call it the plus sign because I don't want to make it more complicated than it has to be. But once you click on the plus sign, it opens up to a pop-up, and you have 4 columns: customers, vendors, employees, and other. When you're going down this list, this is a way to create. So the plus for me means add, create, new. So if you want to make a new invoice and receive a payment, a new estimate, if you want to do record a new expense or a new credit card credit, or if you had payroll and you wanted to do something with payroll, or if you want to do a new bank deposit or transfer, then all of that is done with the Create button. This here is your search icon. You can just key something in here right now and search for Cal. Let's see, I know that that's one of theirs. Hit enter. And it pulls it up, but it comes straight to, like, it doesn't know what is Cal. It's Cal reference number, and you can change it. I went straight to advanced search, and it just brings up the search parameters. So that way I can decide, do I want to search all the transactions or a specific type of transaction? So you can look and see checks and charges and credits and deposits. So whatever it is, if you know exactly what you're looking for as far as what type of transaction, this can make it a little easier to find. Perhaps you know you're looking for, invoices that were created between July 1st and July 15th, but you have no idea as to who the client was or what the amount is. And then this is a way to search. Or you can search by reference number. I tend to search by amount usually because I know the dollar amount, but I don't know a lot of other things. So if I'm trying to reconcile and something I can't find a transaction, I'll usually search by dollar amount here. So let's just put $100 and hit search. So in this case, they've had 2 transactions for $100 each. One was a check to Tony Rondonu, and then a credit memo issued to Amy's Bird Sanctuary. So that's how you use the search function. It will come in extremely handy, believe me. This one here is called the gear icon. And I like the gear icon because this is where a lot of the back end stuff of QuickBooks is housed. So you have your company tab, you have lists, tools, and your profile. And we will go through more of this in different modules, but you'll hear me very often refer to the gear icon, and this is exactly what I'm referring to. This is your help button, very straightforward. QuickBooks has a very extensive database of help articles, and then they also have a contact us at the very bottom that will allow you to speak directly to reach out to them directly. There we go. So you have the contact us right here. And then this bell icon is your notifications icon. So the one thing I do love about QuickBooks Online is that they're constantly coming up with new features, as opposed to when you purchase desktop software where it's fixed. So whatever you buy, the features that you have is what you have until you purchase the next version. Whereas with the QuickBooks Online, as new features are unveiled, you get them into your version and you start using. You'll come in and the user interface will look different, and it may take a day to go, wait, what did they do? But I have everything that they've done has always been an improvement over what was there before. So that is lesson 2. We wanted to finish our quick walkthrough to QuickBooks Online. If you have any specific questions about any of the navigation of QuickBooks, make sure you head over to the Facebook group and put your questions there, and we will definitely get back to you with an answer.